I can't see you, right, glared.
Oh no.
Right, where's your exhaust? It's the new Aygo with the exhaust in the boot model.
It's much more economical.
Actually, that's quite a snap on there, isn't it? Have to remember where that bracket goes, because we might end up cutting that off. See if I can work around it.
I'll tell you what, the car goes much faster without that on the back of it.
It sounds faster.
Oh, it sounds like a bullet.
So that is what's left of the rest of that exhaust box. And we've got to take that clamp off. I've got to try and get onto this nut here. I wonder how easy this back box pipe's going to come off that one, or whether it will just fall off. If there's anything like the back wheel, I think we're in for a fight. Right, so the impact gun took that off nicely. Let me just see if I can split that open and get that off. I got it from Graham at...
Wow, you buy cheap, Richard.
Yes, wooden mallet nil, Aygo fire 1. So the Aygo exhaust has a fairly clean break up until you get to the point where the bracket was, or is, then it turns into a rusty holy mess. So I think we're going to cut the bracket off, and in order to make sure that it goes back in the right place, we've got a little template just so that we can line up and get that in the right area.
Got a different recorder, sneak peek.
Behind the scenes, yeah.
Yeah, you'll get 10 seconds of it. And gone. Remember to always cut towards yourself, not away. The mask has gone down. Oh, the mask's gone back up. Don't try this at home.
I do try this.
Do try this at home. Like new. Thank you, Richard. You get a bit of cat in the shot as well. She did not like that. Just try not to accidentally weld your glove. Oh.
Set fire to something in the barbecue, right? It ain't pretty.
As long as it works.
I'm going to film my beautiful welding before I grind it flush.
He is a professional. I am paying him for this.
No, you're not.
I'm buying him a new wooden mallet.
I'm hoping you're going to play in the bottom of my living room door at some point.
Oh, I can do that. Brand new.
Well, except for the hole.
We ignore the. That's standard issue.
That's for the Racer Boy.
Yeah,
sound
that's in
effects.
case you want to put nitrous on and you want to really rev it up at 10 o'clock at night. And we didn't weld the clamp. Don't touch, it's hot.
Oh yeah, thanks for reminding me.
I'm just a cameraman.
I need reminding.
He does. Ooh.
Ah, blew a hole.
No.
No.
Alright,
Oh well.
that's his deposit gone.
And another. I've obviously hit a thin bit. Or I can't weld. I might have to put another patch on that bit.
That's what we got.
Blowing holes in it here.
Yeah, and I'm assuming that's
Yeah,
just
I'll put a plate over that.
That's all. Work in progress. For lack of a better word. To say anything with confidence.
Yeah, it will happen.
It will happen.
I'm going to weld this exhaust perfectly, Kaelim.
Have a little look-see. Like a glove.
Yes, it's pretty.
Like a professional's done it. This is why I'm paying him $1,000 for it. It's never good when he starts off with oh. We have no holes so far.
Right, let's check that against the template and make sure that's okay. Thank you. That looks about right. Good enough for an Aygo fire.
That's rude. I spent a lot of money on this car.
Possibly one of my better welds of the day.
Show on the other side.
That's it. No, I'm not showing them the other side. Yeah, it's a bit scabby. I've had to use the grinder to make it look prettier. But that is stronger than the original Aygo, and as long as it still hangs on the vehicle, I think this will be the last bit left before it's scrapped. Good. I'm going to say I'm pleased with that once it's hung back on the car. And then you don't have to sound like a boy racer, do you?
Yeah, then I don't disturb elderly ladies at 6 in the morning as I'm revving it up the road because I can't get up the hill.
So you've lost 1 bhp.
Yeah.
Get yourself a Monster Energy sticker.
Some flame stickers.
Right, one repaired Aygo exhaust. Back on its hangers, painted and patched. And I've reinforced the area where it failed the last time, so hopefully this will outlast the rest of the exhaust system. Excellent. Are we happy? Are we happy, Kaelim?
I'm happy. Car will probably outlast me.
It's cost you half a day of watching me try to weld.
Yeah.
You'd have been better off just buying an aftermarket exhaust, I think.
Could have spent 60 quid.
And been done with it.
I would have only had it by tomorrow though.
But instead I used 60 quid's worth of grinding discs. Excellent. Right, let's get the wheel cleaned up and put back on. Right, give it a rev. Proper one. And again.